In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or connect to a VPN on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, select VPN. And then versus VPN connections at the top, select the blue Add VPN button, and then fill out the relevant information here, and then select Save to confirm, and then your VPN connection should be saved to your device. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.